So there are details about the new mid-budget smartphone from OnePlus. This is all we know about OnePlus Nord 3. Greetings to everyone, my name is Osoznaneng, and before we start, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Let's discuss the news. A new report from Digital Chat Station reveals some of the key specifications of the OnePlus Nord 3. Of course, there are rumors, given the Nord series normally comes out sometime during the summer. According to the leakster, the Nord 3 will be powered by the new Dimensity 8100 chipset. The Redmi K50 is the most recently launched smartphone powered by the same chipset. That would be paired with 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The display is 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with Full HD+ resolution and support of 120 Hz refresh rate. There is also mention of punch hole camera in the upper left corner of the screen. For imaging, the Nord 3 will have a 16-megapixel selfie camera and a triple camera main setup. The primary camera may be 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor with an 1.8 aperture. There will be an 8-megapixel sensor, probably an ultrawide shooter, and 2-megapixel camera, perhaps monochrome like the Nord 2. In the battery department, we are looking at 4500 mAh battery with support of 150 watts charging. Other features include an in-display fingerprint scanner and X-axis linear haptic motor. Last week, a 3C certification revealed to OnePlus smartphone with a 160 watts charging with the same specs, including a bit about 160 watt charging. Back then, Digital Chat Station suggests that PKJ M10 from the certification was a OnePlus 5G smartphone. Today, his suggestion has been updated to suspicion that the device is the Nord 3. So, do you plan to upgrade to the new OnePlus device this year? Your answers, as always, you can leave in the comment section below. I will definitely read everything and I will answer the most interesting comments and give hearts from the channel. If this video seemed interesting to you, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. My name is still Osoznaneng and I'll see you guys in the next one.